Hey guys, Chase back here at MarineMax Clearwater. I want to show you today a beautiful Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. This is an awesome boat for the bay, for flats fishing. It's really set up for things like that. Or just you and the lady want to ride down and go to the beach or the water or something like that, go to a restaurant. This would be great for. So as I'm showing you the boat, you'll see it's laid out great with fishing in mind. You know, beautiful casting deck here, standing in the front. It does have the hookup for a trolling motor if you like. Anchor locker, more storage, cooler in the front, which also doubles as a seat for someone who wants to ride up front. Rod holders for you. Wonderful blue bimini top. I think it matches the boat great. The console and the helm on this boat's set up great. It's got a 7-inch Ray Marine gauges for you. Nice display. Beautiful stainless steering wheel here. This seat flips easily to face the rear if you like, and does have your live well in it. Beautiful big live well for you. 2 seats here to the rear also, and a powerful Mercury 90 engine. Folks, I'd love to take you out on this boat. It runs like a dream. We'll see you down here in Clearwater, Florida.